what I need. Okay, I bought one before, and it's over beer, right? So this is what I bought first, right? If you guys remember my video. So I bought this one, right? I saw this one too. But this one, I want to buy this one, but I cannot buy it because my mom would ask me what I buy it for, right? So I saw this one. Yes, sir. Kick the bus, right? So I bought this first. I have to put it on the wall like this to do so, right? Like this. I know right here, this back part here, that's where you put the water and sand how you want it. But I don't want to put no water in it just in case of water flow. So you never know. If the burst or somehow, I don't know. Oh, my bad. Yeah, you never know. But I did lose it. I got more skill. I did lose it. But I have to put it on my wall because see, can't scan up. See, can't scan up. Can't scan up. So, oh, I'm gonna give this away. So, is anybody want this? Contact me on Instagram. Now, yes, get this one started. No, no, this one. I, huh? Okay. I know it's right here, right? Right here. This one. Let's see. But that thing, the bar part, right? The bar part, I don't know, maybe it's the same thing, put water and sand, or water, put no water and sand. Huh. Alright guys, let's open this up. Okay. It's like everything is in there. Oh, come on. So, whew. Okay. Hey, guess how it is? Yes. Wait. Yes. Guys, I feel something like that I'm talking about. Like this. It was scanned. Oh, yeah. boxing, y'all. Time to do some boxing. Okay. It's like it remind me when I open my basketball net. Get all this stuff, man. Get all this stuff. Yeah. Wait. Why is it sound like that? See, same thing. Put wire, sand. That would, you know, it could work. Yeah, it's something else. Yeah. Yes, go. Let's get all this going up. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That was kind of bigger. No, that's kind of bigger. Let's put all of these, huh? Nice. Put all these. Come on, why you put two? Why you put in two bags? This is what it's I opened first when it came in. You got a yellow one. Oh, come on, man. That ain't no sense. I know I just cut it, but no, you can do it properly, man. Why you put like double bag? Okay. Let's get this going, guys. I know this one. This one goes up. Yeah, so I know. Goes with, yeah, it's okay. So this. Okay. Guys, let's get this. Okay, that's finished. There we go. Let's get this going. Do all these. Put it together. Alright. See, you could add water. It said water in there. But I don't want to put no water. Alright, you guys, let's get this going. Song is together. Yeah, yay! Alright, let's get this going. Okay. So if we do the bottom part first. Yeah, not that bottom part. Okay, turn the two bays over and get them. Loosen two base support pegs and fold closer. Get some more close. Alright guys, let's get this going, y'all. So base A. This is called base. again. That's it. It's in go to the bottom. Alright guys. No. You get first. So I'm stringing a bottom part right now. Doing this. Okay, like this, and I do this. Okay. Should I put that on top? Wow. Okay, I really got messed up here. I know what you guys say. You are not reading the instructions. But kind of. Okay, man. So I am reading instructions, y'all. Okay, get this thing. Okay, forget that. This right here. Okay, I put that right there. Okay, now these. Goes again. See, yeah. Now once. Alright. Alright. So I put that one there. I'm not gonna make it like tight yet. Okay, everything is in hang on. Alright, now getting the pool. So this goes in. Okay. Now this, we're getting there, guys. We are getting there. this one? Bottom two? Oh, right. So this. Yeah. This goes right here. Where you been, y'all? No. Go back. So that's where it goes, huh? But oh, it goes on car. Yeah. But oh, guess. Yeah. Let me see that one. Oh, that one's go under. Now this goes. Let me see you. Yeah, go there. All right. So this gear, this gear. Now this goes right here. So you can get one of these. So this do was to do so. Oh no, that goes to go there. This, okay, this is why I put those. So I've been fighting for this to go in, not this one. So what's the extra for? Yo, I know this is not what I thought it is. I know this is not what I thought it is. This is not what I thought it is. This is not like a screwdriver, yo. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's how I want it. Alright, let's go back to the bottom. That's how I want it, yo. Like, it's gay bear. I don't have to put no water. No water. Woo! So these ones in one goes. And this is for that. Go away. I do it after. Hey! That's good news. Oh yeah, cause of that. That's why. Alright guys. Here it is, y'all. The Jaeger boxing set. I'm gonna fix this one after. Yeah, this make it tight more. But I have to go get screwdriver to do so. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Way better than that one. This is way better. Oh my gosh. Nah. Wow. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I've been looking for. Oh yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, have it in a center. my skill figure it out. Good, so. Wow. Let's go. Work on my arms too, though. I got everything, man. Oh my gosh. This for my arms. Spray bell. My weights. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See, it ain't over. Yep, no, it's not pushing it over. Because I cannot put this part in a bottle. Oh, it's also because this metal thing. Okay, yeah. So it does that. All right, yeah, it does that. Not bad. I like this thing, man. This is what I was looking for when I was buying that, but I can't buy it because my mom won't think that. Why? Oh my God, this is perfect. But the one that I've been looking for is the one like boxing bag. Put it right here for a beans inside, you know what I mean? And and kick all that. That also I wanted too. Perfect. Perfect. I like this one, y'all. I really like this one. So guys, oh my God, let me go. Yeah, man. Kind of moved to me. No. Yeah, it's still move. Yeah, well, it moved. That means I also move. Yes, yo. Yeah. Yes. I can do this, yo. Heck yeah. But this one can't. But yo, I can't get. I'm gonna lose it. So I have this boxing, shred meal, and weights. Yeah, keep myself active, man. Basketball. Yeah. Woo. Alright, you guys. You guys see me open the boxing quick mix. Awesome. See? It goes. I can put it anywhere, right? It's falling. I can put it anywhere. It's falling. This one cannot scan. See, it's same company. Go Song. Go Song. Look at this. See? So I get right here out. So if you guys want this, let me know. I put my Instagram there, so you guys can catch up me on Instagram if you guys want. That's going. Now this scanning, very easy. Also, I don't put no wire in it. Why don't put wire in it? Awesome. Alright, you guys. If you guys will see you guys in the next one.